But for the bad decisions, ask yourself, can I do it tomorrow? Hello my friend, how are you? How to make good decisions. How to make the right decisions. Feel your body before you decide. Feel. Let's avoid the same mistakes. For the good decisions, go ahead. Have the courage to step ahead. Open your chest. Straight up. Stand up straight with your shoulders back, as Jordan Peterson says. But for the bad decisions, ask yourself, can I do it tomorrow? Can I postpone this attitude? What will I gain with this decision? What can I lose with this decision? Balance them. See if it's worth it. Please, let's avoid our repetitive mistakes that always, or at least very often, are irrational. Tell me your decision and comment here the consequences of your decision. I want to read your comment. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How can I enjoy, how can I use the bad things that happen to me?